We all have creativity within us, whether we realize it or not. It's easy to see creativity in others, and it inspires us. We celebrate the imagination and artistry around us.
No shadow of death will bother. Thank you. Oh, how are you, Boo?
I'm so good.
And we embrace moments of connection.
Okay. Thanks very much. Have a nice day. God bless. Okay.
Thank you.
But what about our creativity? Imagine an easy way to be creative in your own life. A shared creative experience where each step is a celebration of achievement. There's a clear path to creative success and a friend to encourage you. Where each accomplishment inspires your creative confidence and excitement.
Yes.
But the best part is when your creativity becomes a gift in the lives of others.
I have something for you.
Thank you so much.
The Kits collection by Stampin' Up can help you create with confidence. To choose the projects that inspire you, go online to see our latest kit selection.